We're right now in Kingston, Jamaica, on the East Lawns of King's House, which has a lot of history. And we are so happy this year to be celebrating gastronomy, celebrating entrepreneurship, celebrating hard work, celebrating elevation, celebrating progress, and celebrating those men and women who have done it all throughout the year to tantalize and titillate so many of our palates. And this is where it all comes down to it, where we give them thanks and say thank you, but not to be outdone. It's done in a fashionable style, darling. Eat it, drink it, applaud it. It's Food Awards 2026.
Let me tell you, the 27th staging of the Observer Food Awards, it's the bomb.
So I look forward to the creativity, and every year, like, I want to see who is gonna come out and top it.
Stop over chicken and things and clean off the bone and buy chicken and buy bone.
I went to the MasterCard lounge and I had some oxtail and some beef balls and it was great.
We come to the Food Awards every time.
I'm at Jamaica Food Awards. Where are you?